Hey guys, my name is Nathan King, work with the Soho XR Content Studio down in Soho, New York, under the direction of Rory DeVoff, with our friends at Macavision and our partners from Corian Design. We tried to put together an XR-related app that helps to show what the purchasing experience could look like in augmented reality. You can walk into these virtual bathrooms. Modern's the one that speaks to me. And within that we have the purchasing option as well as the configuration option. So choosing an item here allows you to get into the configuration options, take a look at the different pricing and purchasing information about that particular item. You can also click here to see it in my space. That allows you to customize where that lives, put that directly within your space, i.e. within your bathroom, and then it's real scale so that you can get right up on top of this. That helps to understand how this is all going to fit within the play. Get more information on the product there. You can add that product to your cart, go in and make sure your information is correct. And just like shopping on any other e-commerce website, jump in and place your order. That's then shipped and you have the confidence of knowing that it fits, it looks the way you want it to, and it's the thing that you wanted to get.